yourself to the children. Thank you.
Wow. Hello everyone. Hello. Ito ang classes namin. This is yoga class na TV dito sa Tumbaga. Mga students dito, 20 lang sila ngayon. Here we are. I'm here with Master Ranjan. We just finished the youth camp here at the Calya Farm. And this is ongoing school. This is the original school. Way back 15, maybe 20 years ago. So they have a new school now. As you can see, it's all full of forest. Right here in Tumbaga, San Rafael, Panganiban, Camarines Norte. Alright, see you.